Hi guys, today I want to talk about pool inspection. A regular home inspection does not really typically check the pool. And I strongly encourage you to do your research and hire a company that will detect leaks and also checks the heating element in the pool and everything around the pool. So my last inspection, I used two companies here in the Emerald Coast. He actually wore a wetsuit, dived into the pool. He added dye into the pool to look for cracks or leaks, and then also check the heating element. This potentially can cost you a lot of money. I learned that the hard way early on in my career when a home inspector said he was inspecting the pool, but really honestly, he did not look for leaks, nor did he check the heating elements. So after we closed, the buyer had some problems with the pool and it cost him potentially a lot of money. So always spend the money on these inspections. It's worth the while. Auf Wiedersehen, goodbye, tschüss, until the next time.